हेलो।
रिकॉर्ड कौन करी રહ્યું છે?
आई थिंक क्यूजे।
QJ screen sharing. Can I have the screen sharing? Disabled છે હમણાં.
Hi Gaurav, how are you? Hi Gautam, how are you?
વોઇસ ચેક કર ભાઈ. વોઇસ ચેક ગાઈસ.
એને મ્યુટ પર રાખવો છે શાયદ.
નહીં યાર મ્યુટ તો નથી.
Come again. I don't think મારો video on છે.
Gautam.
He can't see you. Just text him.
No, he can see me. He can't hear me.
He's connecting to his audio now.
QJ, enable QJ. Nitin, can you hear us? Ayub भाई.
जी भाई, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम।
वालेकुम सलाम।
जैसे मैं चेक कर दो।
हाँ, that's okay.
Gautam, you can hear us?
Tahir?
Yes sir, बोल भाई।
Okay, just voice check. Thank you sir.
1 2 1 2।
सलाम भाई।
रमजान करीम।
रमजान करीम।
रमजान करीम।
और इमाम मेला याद रखना मेला में।
भाई ये सब लाइव रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है। Any controversial statement will put you and me both into controversies, okay?
हाँ
तुझे तो एक ही मैच खेलनी थी भाई। मुझे फ्रेंचाइजी आगे लेके चलनी है।
और कौन है?
I'm waiting. Okay.
भाटिया किधर है?
Mohit, can you? I mean.
Yeah, I can hear you well.
Okay, I'm waiting for Gautam. Gautam is not here. Let's just wait. Gautam was here, but I think he had some issues with his audio, so he's just.
भाटिया मैं सुना एवरी तो रिवाइज कर रहा है आजकल।
हाँ, रिवाइज कर रहा था फुल क्रिकेट की।
Nitin, you can hear us?
Jabi is trying to get in.
Oh. रेटिंग कमेटी भी आ गई यहाँ पे।
कौन है?
ये भी गया है लगता है, सलोन गया है ये भी। ये भी सलोन गया लगता है।
हाँ जाके है।
सांचा बस वेट कर रहा है कि ताहिर घान करे और वो रिकॉर्ड बुक्स में लिख दे वो।
मैं तो आया हूँ तेरे लिए आज।
गौती भाई क्या हाल है?
यार गौती का ऑडियो
नहीं होगा। He still
he can't hear us। भाई तुम ऑडियो तुम्हारा ये निकाल दो, तुम्हारी हेडफोन्स निकाल दो जो भी हो, तुम रिमूव दैट।
उसका म्यूट हटाओ यार।
I can hear now.
You can hear? Okay, cool. Now we are
चलो भाई
waiting
लोग,
for.
मैं म्यूट में जा रहा है।
हाँ ठीक है। मैं waiting for Nitin. Nitin was here.
भाटिया चिट्स कहाँ छुपाए तूने? चिट्स
इधर सामने रखे मैंने सब।
TN रूल है। TN जवाब देने के पहले ऐसे से करना पड़ेगा। कहाँ यार नितिन?
Is there any way
phone
to more participants in one screen?
Yeah, I'm on laptop, so I can see all of them.
लैपटॉप पे आएगा। लैपटॉप पे
only on a laptop
या टैबलेट पे कोई।
Ayub भाई, you have to come video। Ayub वीडियो ऑन करना पड़ेगा।
You want me to turn on my video?
At least when the quiz.
नहीं ऐसे भी अच्छे लग रहे हो. It's okay.
Participant is Nitin, Mohit, Tahir, and Gautam, na?
Yeah.
Okay. He's not the participant. Okay.
Exactly.
No problem. Then we don't want to see.
Okay, sir.
Can someone ping Nitin?
एक में वो मेरी नखील नाइट्स टीम में था, मैं उसको मैसेज
Yeah, Nitin is here.
Oh.
Nitin, you can hear us? You're on mute though.
मोमो अंकल है, पहचानो उसको?
Yes, I can hear you.
Hi, Nitin, you can hear us?
Yes, yeah.
All right, okay, perfect. So all participants can hear me, right?
Yeah. Yes.
TN, why are you on mute?
वो बच्चा साथ में था, साथ है, चलो ठीक है.
Yeah, okay. So we will start the quiz. Can you guys see QJ screen?
No.
It's
Not yet.
he's sharing now, I guess something. Okay, ठीक है.
Yeah.
You can see his screen, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, welcome to the SFICC online cricket quiz, the Ramadan edition. So we'll go on the next slide, please. Our participants for today are Gautam Arora, Tahir Nasir, Nitin Mahajan, and Mohit Bhatia. Our first round is basically we have to connect two photos together. I will show you the rules in a minute. But what we'll do is we'll go clockwise. Okay. So we'll start with Gautam, then we'll go with Tahir, Mohit, and then Nitin. All right. This is just very random. It's just how the photos have come up. Okay.
Okay,
So
no
let's
problem.
go on the first round rules. QJ.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi.
Okay. So round one, there will be two photos which will come up. You have to guess both players, and once you guess them right, then you unlock that question. There is no buzzer, and the sequence is random. You get 5 points for identifying each correct player, and 10 points for guessing the connecting question. Okay. So if there are two players, you guess one player only, you get 5 points. There are no negative markings. But if you can't guess, we will have to, and there is no passing as well. So each player gets one set. Okay.
There are more than one question. It says 4
So,
questions.
There are 4 questions. 4 people ka 4 questions.
Okay.
And it's predefined. So I mean, we can't change the order. It's been randomly already selected. So we'll start with Gautam.
Yeah.
Okay, Gautam. These
How
are
much is the
your.
time available today?
There is no time limit on this, but we would suggest that you do it fast.
Okay.
Okay. So first photo for Gautam, please. Can you guess this player?
This is Kepler Wessels.
Correct. You get 5 points for guessing him right. And the second player is
Owen Morgan.
correct. So you unlock your question. Basically, this is a multiple choice question. You just have to select the correct answer. Okay. So Kepler Wessels and Owen Morgan have one connection in common. They both have made century on their ODI debut. They both have played for 2 countries, or they both have won a World Cup.
Okay, it's definitely not C because Kepler Wessels hasn't. Century on ODI debut, or both played for 2 countries. I'm not very sure, but I'll go for option B.
Option B is the right answer. You get points for the right answer.
Thank you.
Okay. Now we move on to Tahir Nasir. Tahir, please guess the player.
Jack Scalise.
That's correct. You get 5 points for that. And your second player is?
Glenn Maxwell.
Correct. You unlock your question. And your question is, what's the connection between these 2 players? Option A, both have scored a double century in ODIs. Option B, both made their IPL debuts in the same match at Mohali. Or option C, both hold the record for most ducks by an overseas player in IPL.
It's pure guesswork. Probably B.
You go for B, that both made their IPL debut in the same match at Mohali?
No, wait. Calais was in Kolkata, right? Maxwell. Okay, I'll go with C. C.
Sure.
Just not sure, but okay. Let's confirm
Okay, that's
C.
the right answer. Both hold the record for most number of ducks by an overseas player in IPL.
Lucky.
Well done. Next is Mohit Bhatia.
Okay.
Okay. Your first player is sorry. We are running out of time, Mohit.
Shardul Thakur.
That's correct. And your second player is
This one is
Mohit. We are out of time. We'll have to move ahead. So the answer for this, he is Ashton Turner.
okay.
All right. So Mohit gets 5 points for one correct question, and the connection between them was that they have 3 consecutive golden ducks. All right.
Okay.
So now, Nitin, you're up. Your first
Yeah.
player is, I guess, very difficult to guess.
SRT. Sachin
Sorry?
Tendulkar.
Okay, correct.
SRT. Sachin Tendulkar.
Yeah, I would have given you incorrect for SRT. Yeah. And your second player is
It's
we are running out of time, Nitin.
Not
All right.
Javed
We are out of
Miandad.
time. We'll have to move ahead. He is Javed Miandad.
Javed Miandad, I said. That's all.
Yeah. And the connection that both of them have is that they've played 6 ODI World Cups. That is the most by any player. Okay, so this brings us end of round 1.
But
Now what happens in
I
the
haven't.
next round?
Hello.
Yeah.
I am Vishwa, but I am supposed to participate in this round, so I'm not participating over.
No, you are not there in today's.
Is it?
Jabi had given your name, but you are not playing today's round. It's not today's game.
Oh, he asked me to join, so I was waiting for my turn. Okay, so I'm not playing today, is it?
Yeah, but you can be a part of it if you want as a spectator.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Hi, Malam, Anshu here.
Hi, Anshu. अंशु में लास्ट ओवर नहीं बॉल करेगा भाई, नहीं करेगा मैं।
ये तीसरा वाला कितना आसान पूछ रहे हो मैलम भाई, हमारे वालों से टफ पूछ रहे
हो। अंशु यार रिलैक्स,
इधर भी आके झगड़ा मत करो प्लीज अंशु।
Yeah, no, but you people should make it equal. I am not saying that, but equal level. You are asking Ashton Turner and Sachin Tendulkar. मतलब थोड़ा
Sachin Tendulkar के साथ he couldn't guess Javed Miandad also ना यार.
Yeah,
so I mean it's both ways.
Calais and Ashton Turner. So, okay, no problem. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we move on to round 2. Other participants, please keep your mics on mute because if you speak out of turn for any of your team members, we will give negative marking for that. Right? So round 2, we have. Can I have the rules for round 2, please, Future? So it's basically one topic you will have to select, and each topic has one question. There is no buzzer, and we will start with the points from the last round. So whoever has the highest points from the last round will start first. Number of questions per participant is 1, and as I said, we have 4 questions. We get 10 marks for each correct answer, no negative points. And there will be a timer in this question, which will be on your screen. So you get 10 seconds after I finish my question. Okay. And I will say when the time starts now, that's when the buzzer starts.
Okay.
So Momo, who is going to start first?
First, Gautam will start. He's leading. He's tied with Tahir, 20 points.
Okay.
So Gautam, then Tahir Nasir, then Mohit Bhatia, and then Nitin.
Okay, so Gautam, you go first.
Okay.
And you can select your topic based on the screen that is being shown to you.
I'll go with grounds.
Grounds. Okay. So your question is, which ground has hosted home test match for 2 nations, a test match as a neutral venue, and several ODIs? And your time starts now.
Dubai.
Sorry, incorrect. Your time is up, and the correct answer is the Banga Bandhu National Stadium in Dhaka. They hosted matches for Pakistan and Bangladesh, and it hosted a neutral test venue in the 98-99 championship, test championship. Okay. Next is Tahir Nasir.
All right.
So grounds is done. You will have to select any other topic, remaining topics which is on the screen.
T20 World Cup.
Okay. So T20 World Cup, and your question is, which is the only team to lift the T20 World Cup twice? And your
West
timer
Indies.
starts now. Sorry? Yes.
West Indies.
And the correct answer is West Indies. They won in Sri Lanka in 2012 and in India in 2016. Guys who are going to answer now, your first answer will be selected as your answer. Okay, so if you said the wrong answer and you said the correct answer later, I will go ahead with what you say first. So please be sure with whatever you answer. Take your time. You have 10 seconds to answer. Next is who's next, Momo? Momo, who's next?
Next, Mohit.
Mohit. Okay, so Mohit, please select your topic.
I'll go for IPL.
IPL. Okay. And your question is, which team is the only team to win the following: IPL trophy, orange cap, purple cap, most valuable player, emerging player, fair play award, and maximum sixes award? And your time starts now.
In one season?
Yes. Not in one season. Cumulatively.
Chennai Super Kings.
Sorry. Time's up, and the answer is
No, I am.
incorrect.
Okay.
But the correct answer is Mumbai Indians.
Okay.
All right. And last is Nitin. Nitin, please select your round.
I will go for hat tricks.
Hat tricks. Okay. And your question is, which bowler has taken 2 test hat tricks within 10 days against the same opponent but in different countries? And your time starts now.
Muthaiya Muralidharan.
Sorry, incorrect. The correct answer is Wasim Akram. He taken a hat trick against Sri Lanka in Lahore and against Sri Lanka as well in Dhaka. Okay, so this brings us to the end of round 2. And what are the points now, Momo?
Tahir Nasir leading with 30 points. Gautam at 20. Mohit and Nitin on 5.
Okay. So now this brings us to the start of our round 3, which is the rapid fire round. And in the rapid fire round, there is a buzzer. So the person who says his name first gets the chance to speak. Please make sure that you don't say the answer. You only say your name. So whosever name I hear first, if there is any discrepancy, we have other admins who are listening. So we'll always discuss that. It's whose name I hear first. He gets to select and say the answer. You get 10 points for the correct answer and -5 for the wrong answer. If you say your name and if you don't answer, you still get -5. So
Is this
be
the
very
last round?
sure if you want to answer. Okay. And again,
Is this
there
the
are
last
just
round?
sorry. No, there's
Is
one
this
more
the
round
last
after this. There's one more round after this. And again, you have only 10 seconds after I say the timer starts.
Okay,
How many questions are there in
just
this
one
round?
question.
Yeah.
Does the answer pass on, or once the wrong
No.
answer is given?
No, there is no pass. There's only one attempt.
Okay.
Okay.
How many questions are there in this round?
We have,
10.
I think 10 questions. 10 questions, yes. Number of questions are 10.
Yeah, okay, got it.
So the first question is,
1 minute, 1 minute.
which is the largest cricket stadium in the world in terms of seating capacity? And your time starts now.
Tahir.
Nitin.
Tahir.
I heard Tahir first.
Come on.
MCG.
No. I said
Incorrect. We move on to the second question. Answer is Sardar Patel Stadium. in Ahmedabad.
But it's not ready yet.
No, but it has already been given the tag of
They
the.
haven't played any match yet, right? So how can it be officially opened?
No, it's just they just revamped the stadium. So that way, if you go, then even Eden Gardens was once upon a time the largest.
Yeah,
stadium.
but that's why I
then
said
they changed the
MCG, right?
capacity.
That's why I said MCG because currently it's,
No, but
it's the biggest.
it's Motera. So we'll have to go ahead with the second question now.
Okay, I'll Google it later.
Which team has the record in scoring the highest team?
Mohit.
I heard Mohit first.
RCB.
That's correct. Third question. Who was the man of the match in the finals of Champions Trophy 2017? The time starts now.
Nitin.
Tahir.
Nitin.
I got Tahir first.
It's a Nitin.
It's me, right?
Tahir, go ahead. Your time has already started.
Fakhar Zaman.
That's correct. Fakhar Zaman is the right answer. Question number 4. In a space of 3 overs, which umpire no-balled Muralidharan 7 times for chucking? Time starts now. Mohit, yeah, go ahead.
Daryl Hare.
That's correct. The correct answer is Daryl Hare. Next question. Kieron Pollard famously dropped 3 catches of 3 consecutive deliveries in an IPL match. Who was the bowler?
Nitin.
Nitin, go ahead. The time starts now.
It's Lasit Malinga.
Incorrect. The correct answer is Mitchell Johnson. Pollard dropped Mike Hussey 3 times in 3 balls. Okay, next question. Who was the top scorer in the 2015 World Cup final? Options are Williamson, Steve Smith, Michael Clark, or D. Grant Elliott.
Gautam.
Mohit.
Gautam, go ahead.
Steve
Your
Smith.
time starts now.
Steve Smith.
Yeah, Gautam. Incorrect. The correct answer is Grant Elliott. He scored 83 runs off 82 balls in a losing cause. And that's when Australia won the World Cup by 7 wickets. Question number 7. Which country has hosted the first 3 ODI World Cups?
Mohit.
Nitin.
I heard Gautam first.
England.
Yeah, and that's the right answer. It's England. Question number 8. In 2003 ODI World Cup, which bowler was removed by David Shepherd for bowling 2 beamers to Andrew Symonds?
Mohit.
Yes, Mohit.
Waqar Younis.
That's correct. Waqar Younis versus Australia. It was a match played in Johannesburg. Question number 9. The ball bounces off the wicket keeper's helmet, which was kept behind the wicket keeper, and rolls over to the boundary. Tahir, yes.
Gautam.
No, wait. Tahir, wait. I actually heard Gautam first. Yes, it was Gautam.
5 runs.
That's correct. 5 runs. And this is the last question of the rapid fire. What will be the third umpire's decision on a stumping case where the batsman's foot is on the line?
Tahir.
Nitin. Nitin.
I had Gautam first.
Wait, Mahlam, you're not hearing me at all. I was well before Gautam. Mahlam, I was well before Gautam.
Mohit, I couldn't hear you. Yeah, it was I heard.
Come on, you can ask the other. You can ask the other. For 2 questions, I was well. For 2 or 3 questions, I was well before Gautam.
Let me check with QJ and Momo. Momo.
I heard Mohit first.
I didn't hear Mohit at all.
No, QJ also take his call. I heard Mohit. For me,
I had Gautam's name first, Mohit.
No, I was well. At least I was a second before Gautam.
Also, there was a question where I thought my name was called first, but when you said somebody else's name, I took.
No, you can. Okay, now you ask Momo. You can ask the other person also.
HS. HS, you're on mute. Unmute yourself.
I heard Mohit's name first.
Okay. So QJ, do we have another tiebreaker for this?
No, why tiebreaker? I should answer the question. It's you.
I already have
the answer has already it has already been answered.
But I can also give the same answer.
No, that's we can probably have another question for that.
Okay, no problem. But then again, it will be rapid fire. Right? Again,
It's okay. Let's use the tiebreaker question. Abul is online. Abul can ask a question.
Okay.
Is it only between me and Nitin, or is it all between all 4?
You and Mohit.
No, between all 4.
Okay.
The last
Abul
question.
Bhai, go ahead.
Hello.
Abul Bhai.
Mahlam, ek kaam kar. You go ahead, ask the question. Abul, I think he's probably not. I don't know. Something is wrong there.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, this is an open question now to all of you. You guys can hear me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Name one Indian wicketkeeper who has only 9 fingers.
Tahir.
Yeah, Tahir. I can't hear you.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, Tahir.
I just got a call. Sorry. It's Farooq. Engineer.
Incorrect. The correct answer is Parthiv Patel.
He has 9 fingers.
Okay, so this
Good
brings
information.
us to an end of round 3, and now we'll go to round 4. Yeah.
Can you have the scores?
So this is basically identifying a player. I will give you 4 clues for one player.
Can you have the score round 3, please?
Yeah, Momo, what's the score?
Gautam and Mohit 35. Tahir, after the last question, is on 30. Nitin on 0.
Okay, fine. All right. So this is how the round goes. We'll have 4 clues per player, and you get 20 points if you answer the player's name in the first clue, 15 in the second, 10 in the third, and 5th on the fourth. And for every wrong answer that you give in either of the options, you keep getting -5. So if one player says the answer wrong, it is still open for another player to give the answer. Okay. So
What
this
passes on
can,
him?
this
One
can be
question here.
passed. Yes.
One question here.
Yeah.
So if a player gets a question wrong on, let's say, first clue, can he still answer after the second clue?
Yes, he can. He can. He can get all first three wrong, and he can still answer the fourth one. Okay.
Okay.
And this is again a buzzer round, so I need to hear your names first. All right. So don't say the answer. Just call out your name first. Mohit, let's just test this. Okay. Once I say go, just give your names out so I know that I can hear everyone's audio correctly. Go.
Okay.
Gautam.
Mohit. Nitin.
All right. So Mohit, you were behind Gautam this way, right?
Yeah, I was behind Gautam. Yeah.
Okay.
Nitin,
right.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Nitin, you're good. You're good. And Tahir is good as well. Okay. So the first question and the first clue is, I am the first player of my country to score 10,000 international runs.
Nitin.
Yes, Nitin.
Sunil Gavaskar.
So the thing is, all the 4 points are related. So this might be an answer for a point which it has to be connected to the second points right now. So if a question is given and if it has multiple answers possible, we will only select the answer which is related to the next questions. Okay. So right now this answer is incorrect. Second clue. I am the only player of my country to score centuries in all 3 formats. Third clue.
Chris Gayle.
You'll have to say your name, Nitin.
Chris Gayle.
Incorrect answer.
Melam, you can't hear me? Hello?
I can hear you, yeah, but I couldn't hear your name.
Okay. Be louder this time.
Third clue.
But it's over, right?
No. It goes on. I was the top scorer in the ICC World T20 held in India in 2016. Yeah, Mohit, what's the issue?
Nitin.
No, but he gave the answer already, right?
It was
You told it's
answer.
correct.
I said
you
incorrect.
told incorrect. I heard correct.
Nitin.
Sorry.
Yes, Nitin.
Mahela Jayawardene.
Incorrect answer. And the last clue is, I have recently been appointed as the ODI captain of Bangladesh.
Nitin.
Yeah, Nitin.
Muhammadullah.
Incorrect. The answer is
Mohit.
Mohit.
Tamim Iqbal.
Yeah, that's correct. The answer is Tamim Iqbal. Tahir, I would suggest you don't use headphones because I heard a very faint Tahir after Mohit's name. All right. So now this is the second question. And the first clue is, among all pace bowlers, I am the leading wicket taker with 583 wickets in tests.
Gautam.
Yes, Gautam.
James Anderson.
That's correct. So Gautam gets 20 points for this right answer. Question number 3, first clue. I hold the record for registering the highest individual score by any batsman in an ICC Champions Trophy final. Score being 117. Second clue. I made a century on my test debut at Lord's in 1996.
Tahir.
Yes, Tahir.
Saurav Ganguly.
That's correct. Saurav Ganguly is the right answer. You get 15 points. And this brings us to the end of round 4 and the end of the first episode. Thank you, guys. Momo, what's the final scoring, please?
Gautam 55.
Okay.
Mohit, no, Tahir at 45. Mohit on 40 and Nitin at -20.
-20. All right. HS, any closing words?
Guys, excellent job. And very well done, Melam, to you also.
Thank you.
Let's wrap it up for today.
Yep.
Rest of the Bakshodi we can do on the group because here everybody is muted.
And you can
All
stop
right,
the
guys.
recording.
Good night. Take care. All the best.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Good
Melam.
job,
Thanks.
guys. Good job.